Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing what perfumes I own. Actually, I own a bunch of perfumes. Wait, I'll just show you guys. So these are the bunch of perfumes I own. It's heavy, so I was not able to hold it up. So we will keep the perfume in two categories. The first category would be the perfumes which are about thousands, which are quite expensive, and the second category would be the perfumes which are below thousand, available at a drugstore or any store next door. So first we'll start with the second category, which is the perfumes which are below 1000. So first we'll go with the basic perfumes. Like these perfumes are available in your general store, in your medical store, anywhere. In fact, on Instamart, Blinkit, you can find it over there, and it's not expensive. It's very budget friendly, and it's long lasting. It's pocket friendly. So you guys know the brand, which is Engage. Engage has a lot of perfumes for men as well as women, and they come in a lot of varieties. I have the basic variety for women, of which one is this, the purple one, Engage perfume spray W2 floral fruity. This you can find in any general store. The perfume is very long lasting. It smells very fruity, floral, and I'll write the tones here. And I love this perfume. Like, this is my go-to perfume. Like, this is a must-have. Like, it's a very basic perfume. So yeah, I guess this is my second bottle because I like to keep it with me. And the next, this is also the Engage W1. I'm almost done with this. Yeah, it's almost over. This perfume is very floral and you can use it. It's very suitable for the daytime. So these are the two. There is one more perfume, a drugstore perfume, which is the Water Girl Vanilla Twist Fragrant Body Splash. If you love vanilla but don't want to invest in the expensive ones like the Kayali's, or it smells very good, but the only con is it doesn't last long. So you need to keep on spraying it so that you could smell it for a long time. But otherwise, it's a very good perfume. And next we have which is the Fog scent Beautiful Secret for women. It's a eau de parfum. It's good for night and it lasts you a very long time. Being it Fog, it does last you a very long time. And yeah, it's not that expensive. It's a good bottle to have. It's pretty also, so I like to use it for night time. Yeah. So of course I had to include this, the Plum is booming the market right now because Plum are creating very good perfume mist, perfume sprays, perfume deos, and perfume roll-ons and lotions and so on. And it is a very good brand. The perfumes last a very long time. It smells very good. So if you don't want to invest in much expensive one, you want a perfume which smells good, which lasts long, you could invest for Plum. Plum is a very good brand. So from Plum we have two perfumes, Plum Body Lovin'. We have Body Mist. One is the OG Vanilla Vibes. Like, everyone knows this perfume. There was a point where everyone has this perfume. Have this perfume. So Vanilla Vibes, no need to say, it's vanilla. It's strong vanilla. It will make you smell like vanilla. It will make you smell like a vanilla cake, sort of. Yeah, and the fragrance notes are warm, rich, and mouth-watering of vanilla that's irresistibly sweet. So yeah. So next we have is Plum Body Lovin' Body Mist Vanilla Caramello. This will make you smell like a vanilla cupcake. I'm damn sure. It's so good. It makes you smell sweet. It has sandalwood, it has salted caramel, it has pistachio, it has vanilla, almond. It's a very good perfume. Okay. Now the next we have is, it's by Nykaa. Nykaa Moe. I have the small one, you can buy the big one. So this, I showed you the fog one, right? This and this are very similar. So I do usually layer them both. I mean, this one I'm talking about, this, I layer them both. It's perfect for nighttime. It's sensual. It will have a memory of you of that night. Yeah, it's so good. I usually go for the pocket one because it's easy in this variant, because it's easy to carry at night and I can spray it anywhere. And this too lasts a very long time. Like even I've washed my clothes, I could still smell this. So it's a good investment. You can, if you don't want to go for a big one, you can go for a small one. It's good. Yeah, that's, yeah, we have one last in this category, which is this. This is Avon Luxury Velvetina Ital Veloce. This perfume is my third bottle because it's a very different smell, because I have never smelled something like this, and it's very good. It's perfect for day, it's perfect for night, it lasts you a very long time, and I tell you, if you wear it and someone passes by you, they will give you a head back like, what's the perfume and all. You should invest in this, and it comes in a very good, for the price point, it's a very good bottle, and it will last you a long time, and it's perfect for day plus night. So if you have this only perfume, it's enough for you, and it has some past memories which will make you think of that time. Yeah, so yeah, so this under 1,000 budget is over. Under 1,000 we had two categories. One was under 500 and one was under 1,000. So we are done with that. Now let's go to the expensive ones. So we have a quite good range. First we have the Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. It is expensive, but when you fall in love with this, you will save up and buy it because it's that good. The only con that I have is it is not that long lasting, but once you smell it, you will fall in love with it because the tones are good, the smell is good, the packaging is also itself is good. So one we have is Sol de Janeiro fragrance Cheriosa 62, which is the OG of that brand. It's a perfume mist. It is mostly citrusy, vanilla. It is a beach vibe. Like if you're going to a beach, do carry it and just spray it. It's a very good perfume. Actually, I had a small one in this, but I loved it so much that I bought a big bottle in this, and it's good. And like if you have a budget, you should invest in this. And the next we have is Sol de Janeiro fragrance Cheriosa 87. Actually, I was not planning to buy this. I got it free with what I bought the big one. It was a pink sale, I guess. So this perfume, it is too for beach days, but it has like a tuberose, warm sand, like the nostalgic beach vibe. So yeah, it's good, but this and this are complete different, but both itself are a great fragrances. I'll tell you guys to invest in this because it's the OG, so you should first try the OG. This you can buy it later on if you want. So next we have is one perfume from Zara, the Zara Fields at Nightfall. This is my second bottle. I had first a small one, but then I fell in love with the fragrance and I bought this one. It's a very the ittar are usually in the form of roll-ons, so this is in the form of spray, and it's floral, it's seductive, it's good, it's perfect for the date nights. It's just perfect for the date nights. And you can invest in the small bottle. It's long lasting, and yeah, it's a bit strong, but it's perfect for that time. So you could invest in this. And the bottle, look at the bottle, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. So yeah, the small bottle is also the same. So yes. And the second last we have is it's perfumes. Of course, there has to be a Kayali. So it's Kayali Utopia Vanilla Coco. Usually Kayali's vanilla is a great perfume, but for me it was a little strong. Vanilla Utopia is great, like it has vanilla but not that strong vanilla, a little bit of cocoa. It's long lasting. The packaging is good. I have the small one because of course it's expensive, so I bought a small one. Actually, I tried it comes in a gift set also, like small perfumes are there, and whatever fragrances they have, small are there, and you can just try it. Like if you like some fragrance, you can go for a big one or a medium sized one. So in that only I tried one. And wait, I'll show you. Yeah, I was talking about this gift shade. So they have all the perfumes they have launched till now, and it comes in a very small bottle like this. So you could spray it, use it for a while, and if you like any shade, you can go for the medium one bottle or the big bottle. Like I went for the medium one. The bottle, the packaging is so good. It smells nice. Little bit of vanilla, little bit of cocoa, long lasting, perfect for date nights. Perfect for date night, and it's very easy to carry as well. So yeah, and the last is Tom Ford Vanilla Sex. Actually, I was not planning to buy this perfume, but I just found it on Instagram, and I just went to Sephora and asked them if they have it. Like I have a small size. I wanted to smell it, how it smells, because I can't buy a perfume without smelling it, right? So so they didn't had a small one, and they had a big one, and that too. I was not allowed to smell it until I'm buying it, and that too, it was the only one bottle, and it's a very limited edition. Like you can't find it very easily. So I was like, I'll just buy it anyways. So it's a very sensual perfume. Like it's a little bit of vanilla, and the only thing is, you just don't मतलब ऐसा सीधा smell कर लिया सीधा. Don't just judge it. Let it soak in your body odor and then smell it. It smells so good. So whenever I apply it, now I apply it initially, let it soak in with my body odor, and then it smells nice. So it's a tip from me. So yeah, the packaging is good. So actually I have the full box. So yeah, it's a box and then you keep it inside. So as you say, it's vanilla, smell undertones of vanilla, a little bit of floral, a little bit of sandalwood, and yeah, it's good to go. It's a perfect perfume for the day night. Like you're going for a date and it's your first date, you should wear this. It will make head turns, it will give you compliments for sure, and it is long lasting. You will think it's expensive, so it won't last long and all. It's nothing like that. It's expensive, but it's long lasting. I mean, it's worth my money. So yeah, it's Tom Ford. So that's it for the perfumes I own video. I mean, I own a quite, but it's not much. I do want to own more, but it's a later on part. And as you could see, I am obsessed with vanilla. Like I like vanilla perfumes and the perfumes which are meant for the date night and all. So that's my kind of genre. I just shared it with you. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked my collection. Hope you guys it helped you in any way to choose a perfume, cost wise or smell wise. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.